Hi, welcome to my Kudos Kitchen. I'm Renee, and today we're going to be making a recipe that I like to call Jammin Salmon, and it is stupid easy. I mean, I don't even know how else to describe it, but it's so good. I've made it probably 4 times over the past 3 weeks. It's that good. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some salmon fillets. You can make as many or as little as you like, but I have some probably 6-ounce fillets that I've already pre-cut. You're gonna need some low sugar strawberry jam, salt, pepper, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and some crushed red pepper flakes, and that's it. So let me show you how easy it is. Start by putting your salmon fillets on a baking sheet that you've lined with parchment or sprayed with cooking spray. Next, you're gonna drizzle and brush your salmon fillets with olive oil. After that, a generous pinch of salt on each, and the same with a generous dash of pepper. And now they go into a preheated 375-degree oven for approximately 10 minutes. The next thing you're gonna do is make the jammin sauce. In a bowl, add approximately a half a cup to 3/4 cup of that low sugar strawberry jam. To that, you're gonna sprinkle in a pinch or 2, depending on how you like it, how hot you like it, of red pepper flakes. Stir it up. Set this aside and you'll see what happens next. Okay, so the salmon just came out of the oven after its first bake. And now what you're going to do is you're going to slather, great word, the jammin sauce all over the salmon. Ooh. Now, doesn't that look good? Now we're gonna pop the salmon back into the oven for another maybe 7 to 10 minutes, and you'll see what it looks like when it's done. So here you go. Your jammin salmon is ready. This is a great recipe if you're entertaining and you want something quick but impressive, delicious, or if you're trying to get more salmon into your diet, which I'm trying to do because it's so healthy for you. And this one is really good. Thanks for joining me today. Have a good day.